Welcome to Ipoh Inc.'s Winner Lucky Draw today. We have 15 contestants that have emailed us with the answer to the survey on our website. We have Daniel, Farah, Fushin, Jess, Rebecca, Sarah, James, Kimberly, Winnie, Hazel, Brandy, Vivian, Jasmine, Adrian, and Whelan. So today we are going to pick one lucky winner that will be receiving this lovely authentic Coach wristlet, and 5 additional winners that will be receiving 8% discount shopping at our website. Also remember, we will have more bags for you in the future, and we also take special orders. If you have a bag that you love, that you've seen somewhere on the website or at a store, please email us the details and we will provide you with a quote. And we will try our best to beat our competitors. That's our guarantee. Now back to the main event. So what I am going to do is to take all this name and put it in an empty bag. You see it's empty? And we're gonna pick the winners from there. So you guys ready? Let's do this. So we're gonna shake it all up, shake it real nice and good, and we are going to pick the winner for the Coach wristlet. So the lucky winner for the Coach wristlet is Vivian Chow. Congratulations, Vivian, you have won yourself a lovely authentic Coach wristlet from myipohinc.com. Now for the 5 lucky winners, they are Brandy, Kimberly, Hazel, James, and our last winner is Adrian. Congratulations to all our winners. Well, for those who didn't win, don't be disappointed. We will be having more promotions like this in the future, and also we will feature more bags on our website. Do tell your friends and family about myipohinc.com, and I hope you enjoy this time. Thank you very much. Have a good one.